everyone, it's Cara Whedbee, your favorite pescavegan, here to show you a pesca dish. So it's a fish dish. I'm calling it Catch of the Day Baked Fish. This is just a family recipe we use for baked fish. I got it from my husband's mother. But I think you could probably find online the same kind of components to make this baked fish. So what you're gonna need is fish, which is in our container here, that was just caught today on the lake. And then you're going to need some sort of seasoning. It doesn't matter. Some people use Old Bay, some people use paprika, salt and pepper. I'm using what I had in the cabinet here at the condo, which is Cajun seasoning. So the first thing you're gonna do, I have another pan over here, is you're gonna season the fish. Once you lay them in a singular layer in your dish for the oven, you're gonna season them well. Cover the fish in seasoning, whatever seasoning you choose. Then I had to melt some butter. So I'm using Country Crock plant-based butter, olive oil plant-based butter. This is vegan, gluten-free. There is no dairy in this butter. So I put 2 sticks of that in the microwave for 1 minute, and this is what I got. So you need your butter melted. And then once you do your seasoning, you're gonna do breadcrumbs. This is the Connect Panko style breadcrumbs. They're gluten-free, vegan, soy-free, nut-free, basically allergy-free. Got them at my local natural grocery store. This is what they look like. So after you do the seasoning, you're going to shake the breadcrumbs over the top of the fish. Now, when I don't have this kind of breadcrumb, I just take my favorite vegan, gluten-free loaf of bread, sandwich bread that I would have in the refrigerator, and I just break it into pieces or chop it into pieces and put it on top here. So that would obviously be a thicker layer of breadcrumbs than this is. Chunkier, I guess you would say. But this particular kind is thin panko style breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna cover all the fish in both pans with the breadcrumbs. And that is after you have seasoned the fish. Then the last step before you put it in the oven is to drizzle the melted butter, this is our vegan Country Crock butter, over the fish. Just kind of go back and forth. It doesn't have to cover every little inch because as it cooks, it will. So usually it's 1 stick for 1 pan of fish, or 1 container of fish, oven ready. So there we go. I used all of my vegan butter. Now it is ready to put in the oven. So in order to cook this, you put it in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for a total of 15 minutes. That's it. This could not be easier. So 400-degree oven for 15 minutes. When it's done, I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so the fish is done. Let me show it to you. I cut into it just to make sure it's white on the inside and flaky, and it is. Doesn't it look yummy? I also made some French fries to go with it. These are the Alexia brand fries, seasoned waffle fries. That's gonna be our fish dinner for tonight. Thanks so much for watching.